Step 1. Choose your preferred blogging platform. Choosing where you want to build a blog is pretty much the first thing you have to do. I'm going to take a leap and assume you've heard of WordPress, and this is the platform I advocate. It's massive. It's by far one of the biggest blogging platforms in the world, with countless plugins and add-ons and almost infinite ways to design and lay out your blog. There are more than 82 million active users of WordPress, equals a lot, basically. There are other alternatives, however, and they are Blogger, definitely the next best thing to WordPress. Tumblr, half social network, half blog. Interesting, and very simple to use. Even though WordPress is bigger, and probably better, than those two, here are my reasons why you should still go with WordPress. Super easy setup and is free to use. Tons of free themes and layouts, I'm not kidding, there are gazillions. There's a massive support forum in case you get stuck. You won't, but it's nice to have it there if you need it. Your blog will be insanely fast, and it'll also look at functionality and form, perfect. People can interact with you easily. Your content can be shared, commented on, and so on. Step 2. Self-hosting or a free alternative? Whoa, slow down there. This is the biggest decision you'll have to make before we go any further. You need to decide whether to pay for your blog or grab a free one. WordPress, Tumblr, and Blogger all offer free blogs for anyone. Awesome, right? It's perfect for those of us who aren't super serious about blogging. But it does have downsides. 1. You won't be able to get your own domain name. On a free blog, your blog's web address, your URL, will be butt ugly. Like, really ugly. In short, create a free blog with any other the above free blog services and it'll look like this. yourblog.wordpress.com, yourblog.blogspot.com, yourblog.tumblr.com. I know, ugly, right? 2. Limits and more limits. There are some limits to free blogs. You can't fully monetize it, and you don't have the possibility to upload all those videos and images you want to show everyone. It's all limited. Worse still, you won't even have access to the free themes offered by WordPress. 3. You don't own your blog. It might sound silly at first, but you don't actually own your blog. It's hosted on someone else's web property and they can delete it if they want to. They have done so in the past, and keep doing it in the future. Which means all your hard work on your blog, all those countless hours of writing blog posts might have vanished within seconds. Sad. On the other hand, with a self-hosted blog on your own domain name, you are the real owner of your blog. You'll be able to name your blog whatever you want, for example, yourname.com or yourawesomeblog.com. You can end it with .com, .co.uk, .net, .org, or virtually any other web suffix. Add to that unlimited bandwidth for videos, images, and content plus the free themes and you have a winning combo. So how much is hosting and a domain name? Not as much as you're thinking, fortunately. It usually works out to about $5 to $10 per month, depending on your hosting provider, which is less than a couple of coffees. Step 3. Start a blog on your own domain. If you chose self-hosting and a custom domain, WordPress blogging platform. I'm going to push ahead based on the premise you've chosen WordPress, and if you haven't, you should. Seriously, it's the best. If you're still a little confused by what a self-hosted blog is, allow me to explain and how you can go about setting one up for yourself. You'll need to come up with a domain name you like and also choose a hosting company that can host your blog. Domain. The domain is basically the URL of your website. Examples: google.com. Google.com is the domain. Facebook.com. Facebook.com is the domain. C. Simple. Hosting. Hosting is basically the company that puts your website up on the internet so everyone else can see it. Everything will be saved there. Think of it as a computer hard drive on the internet where your blog will be saved. Disclosure: I recommend using HostGator for web hosting. You can find a link in the description. Personally, I use HostGator and I've got nothing but good things to say about it. It's probably one of the cheapest, less than $2 per month, hosting providers out there. A domain name will cost around $10 minus $15 a year, but with HostGator, you can get that for free first year. They're the providers I use for all of my blogs, including the one you're reading right now. If for any reason you don't want to go with HostGator, feel free to choose your own hosting company. Most, if not all of them, should have a one-click WordPress install solution on their admin panel. That button will automatically install WordPress on your blog. Did I say it was simple or what? All you need to do is sign up with HostGator or your chosen provider, choose your hosting plan and a domain name, and look for the one-click WordPress install button on the admin panel. WordPress essentials aren't often needed, but I'd recommend Whois Privacy. That will keep all your personal details private, and definitely automated backups. That'll save your website just in case anything fails or disappears, so you won't lose any or very little of your blog. Once WordPress is installed on your website, all you have to do to start blogging is go to your WP admin page, usually www.yourblognomyhere.com/wp-admin, and start writing by adding a new post. At the start, the layout looks confusing, but it gets very understandable quickly. Don't worry. Step 4: Designing your WordPress blog. Now, the fun bit. Let's make your blog look exactly how you want it to. To choose a new theme, you can either head to Appearance Themes and install a free WordPress theme, or you can head to a premium theme website like themifrost.net and buy a theme for around $40. I usually choose something that looks professional and pretty easy to customize. WordPress also has this awesome feature that allows you to change themes with just a few clicks. So if you start getting tired of your current blog template, you can just switch to another one without losing any precious content or images. Remember, your blog's design should reflect both you and your personality, but also what the blog is about. There's no point having a football-orientated theme if your blog is about tennis, understand? On top of that, it should be easy to navigate if you want people to stick around. If it's tricky and difficult to move around it, people won't stay. After all, the design is a subjective art, meaning everyone likes different things. But no one likes ugly websites, and they especially hate websites that need a university degree to navigate. Make it easy for them. Thanks for watching. If you love this information, please subscribe to my channel, and if you feel this video is worthwhile, please share it to your friends and neighbors.